Hi Handmade, I'm Cassidy, and today I am here at my house and I can't wait to show you some super fun things that I've come up with from the dollar store to make your at-home Halloween celebration super fun. I know for my littles especially, some of the Halloween stuff, even at the dollar store, can be a little bit spooky. So I wanted to give you an idea of creating a more modern feel, but also with some bright colors, and maybe make it like a not so scary Halloween party. I can't wait for you to see what we've came up with, and I hope you're as inspired as we've been. And let's get started. I started out with just an auto sponge from the dollar store because I knew it was a really common item and I could make it into a really cute 3D ghost. Using craft scissors, I cut 2 small V's out of the bottom of the sponge. Use spray paint to make it your theme color. Using peel and stick craft felt that I had left over from another project was perfect for the eyes and mouth. I love to incorporate past projects like the scraps that were left behind so that then I'm always kind of recycling or reusing and not just throwing them away. And this part is easy. You just peel and stick. So cute. I wanted something super cute to add our ghost to, so I picked a ball fringe trim from the local craft store. Hot glue will be your best friend here. For my second item, also from the auto spot at the dollar store, was the oil change funnel. Using a paint marker, add any design you want. For mine, I wanted it to hold a bundle of suckers, so I knew the top would be a little too tight, so I cut it a little lower to make it wide enough to hold all of the suckers. Another option for customizing your home party is utilizing signs that are already at the dollar store and just repurposing them. I disassembled the frame and then cut the little lion head into a more modern circle. We'll set this aside. We will use it again later. And then, one of my favorite things to do, spray paint! Add a little cardstock paper to cover up the art and reassemble. I attached the circle back with hot glue just to make it more modern feel. And then used a chalk marker just to write a fun saying. Then the rest of the items I just taped off, used some more spray paint in my theme color, and we were ready to party. So here we have it. It's such a cute little party. My girls are a big fan of pink, but I know you could do this with any color that inspires you. So comment below with your favorite project and colors you would use. And if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe, and we will see you next time.